In this lesson, we will take a short look on how Microsoft Defender for Endpoint extends its capabilities beyond Windows platform. To be able to extend its tendency to industry-leading capabilities in terms of endpoint security capabilities, it was necessary that Microsoft extend endpoint device covering beyond just Windows devices. And not just that. In reality, most of the organization environments contain various operating system machines and devices, from Windows to Linux. So if endpoint protection solution wants to be serious, it definitely needs to support cross-platform operating system machines. Therefore, Microsoft allows macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS devices to be onboarded into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution. On macOS, at the moment, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint offers endpoint and detection response capabilities, so-called EDR, and vulnerability management capabilities and antivirus capabilities as well. To deploy Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solutions on macOS devices, you can use alternative macOS management tool called Jamf. On Linux devices, currently Microsoft Defender for Endpoint offers endpoint detection and response, EDR, vulnerability management features, and antivirus. To deploy Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solutions on Linux devices, you can use Puppet and Ansible management tools. For devices running Android or iOS operating systems, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint acts as mobile threat defense solution. Defender for Endpoint can be installed and managed on enrolled devices and also on unenrolled devices. Users must have assigned Defender for Endpoint license, and configuration and onboarding steps and options will be different depending on whether device is Android or iOS and whether device is supervised or unsupervised, so to say enrolled or unenrolled. And that's it for this lesson. In next and last video of first module, we will summarize everything we have learned in this module.